I recently started learning SQL and today I built my first small database table from scratch.
Oh my god! Wow!
I started with something simple, a student table containing ID, name, roll number, email, phone number, department, and semester. One thing I learned here is why a primary key is important. Every person needs a unique ID, so SQL can identify each record without confusion. For the semester, I am also adding a check constraint so that only valid semester values can be entered. Now let's execute the code and check if our table has been created successfully. Yes, wow, everything is fine. You can see here all the columns are displayed correctly. A big achievement. Our table is ready. Now it's time to insert some data into it. First, I will enter my own data and then I will enter the data of my good friend Mehdi. We can insert data for as many students as we want into our table. Let's do it. We can see all the information displayed in the first row, including ID, my name, roll number, department, and semester. This might look like a very simple project, but for me, it's an important first step. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, just drop a like and comment and repost for appreciation. Thank you so much.